tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
But let me know if I'm out of order for stepping to you this way. See, I've been watching you for a while, and I just gotta let you know that I'm really feeling your style. Plus I had to know your name and leave you with my number, and I hope that you would call me someday. If you want, you can give me yours too, and if you don't, well, I ain't mad at you. We can still be cool, girl. Hey, just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even really gotta be my girlfriend. No, no, I just wanna know your name, and maybe sometime we can hang out just yet. That you called, 'cause the way you walked away, I thought I wasn't gonna see you no more. Since you didn't wanna give me your man, I thought that you were digging me and wasn't digging me. But anyway, what you doing tonight? I'll probably be with my peeps. If it's cool with you, maybe we'll swing by. You can just chill, or you can just chill with me. Long as you're comfortable and you feel secure when you're with me, 'cause just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even really gotta be my girlfriend. Oh yeah, I just wanna know your name, and maybe sometime we can baby, yeah. Maybe we can
so I wanted to come in and end off the vlog because I didn't even start the vlog today like I wanted to. It was just a lot going on with work today, so I didn't really do all the things that I wanted to do today because I started off late. But anywho, I did start my closet, as y'all can see. Don't judge me. I know it's a mess, but I'm getting it together slowly but surely. Tomorrow I plan on finishing that closet and then doing under my sink, and then I do have something else to do tomorrow that y'all will be seeing. But yeah, I did get a workout in, so I hope y'all enjoyed that workout motivation too. But yeah, my camera even went dead when I was putting all the clothes back, y'all. So I'm trapping off my phone right now. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this short snippet of Vlogmas, and tomorrow's video will definitely be better. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and happy Vlogmas. And I'll see y'all tomorrow, Guru Gang. Bye.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me